Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today, we are going to answer one super cool question. How does your phone actually understand when you say Hey Siri or OK Google? Sounds like magic, right? But it's not magic, it's science. And by the end of this video, you are going to understand exactly how it works and even train your very own voice command AI. Let's go. Before a computer can understand speech, we need to understand something more basic. What is sound? Imagine you drop a pebble in a pond. You see little ripples spreading out in circles, right? Sound works exactly the same way. When you speak, your vocal cords vibrate, and those vibrations travel across the air as waves, called sound waves. Now, here's the interesting part. A microphone is like a tiny ear. When sound waves hit it, it converts those waves into numbers, lots and lots of numbers that a computer can read. Those numbers represent how loud and how high or low the sound is at every fraction of a second. This is called a digital audio signal. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so now we have a stream of numbers from the microphone. But how does the computer figure out that those numbers mean the word apple or something else? This is where speech recognition comes in. Speech recognition is the technology that listens to your voice and converts it into text or commands. There are a few big steps involved. Step 1. Capture the audio. Your device microphone records your voice and turns it into that digital signal we just talked about. Step 2. Clean it up. The computer removes background noise like the fan humming or music playing, so it only focuses on your voice. This is called noise filtering. Step 3. Chop it into chunks. The audio is sliced into tiny pieces, each about 25 milliseconds long. These chunks overlap a little so nothing's get missed. Step 4. The AI does its job. A special kind of AI called a neural network looks at each chunk and tries to figure out what sound or word it is. It has already been trained on millions of voice recording, so it's gotten really good at this. And that's it. That's the basic recipe of speech recognition. Capture, clean, chop, and analyze. Alright, now it's time for project. We are going to train an AI to recognize 3 fruit words: grapes, orange, and strawberry. You say the word, the AI will guess which fruit it is. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your system. Go to teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. On the home page, click on Get Started. Then select the audio project. You will land on a screen with 2 class cards. This is your AI training studio. You will see a background class already there. Keep it for now. Rename the another class to grapes. Click on Add a class and rename this one to oranges. Finally, add one more class and rename it to strawberry. So there are 4 classes in total: background noise, grapes, orange, and strawberry. Each one is an empty bucket which we are going to fill with our voice. Now let's collect the training data. Click the record button on the grapes class. Make sure that your microphone is connected. And if the record button says record 2 seconds, then go to the settings and change the duration to 20 seconds. Now say grapes clearly into your mic. Say it again and again, at least 20 times. Try it fast, slow, loud, and soft. Each word is a one lesson to AI. When you are done, click on Extract. You will see little waveform clips appear inside the grapes card. That's your training data. Now do the same thing for orange. Click record and say orange at least 20 times. Then move to strawberry class, say strawberry 20 times and stop. Take your time with each one. Whisper a couple, say some loudly. Variety makes your AI smarter. Now, the background noise class. Click record here and just stay quiet for about 20 seconds. Don't say anything. Let the mic pick up the room sounds, fan humming, light ambience. That's exactly what we want. This teaches the AI what silence sounds like, so it doesn't try to guess fruit every time it hears background noise. Alright, now our all 4 classes are loaded up. Time to train the model. Hit the blue button that says train model. The AI will study every recording and learn what makes grape sound different from orange or strawberry. It will take about 30 to 40 seconds, and don't close the tab. Awesome, training is now done. Look at the preview panel on the right. Make sure your microphone is on. Now say grapes. Watch the bar jump. Now say orange. Then strawberry. See, your AI nails it. Now try to trick it. Mumble a word, say it super fast or whisper it. When it guesses wrong, that's called a misclassification. If that happens too often, just go back, add more audio clips to that class and hit train model again. That's exactly how real AI engineers improve their models. Test, fix, repeat. Amazing! You just built a sound recognition AI. But what do you think? Where does this technology lives in the real world? Well, the answer is everywhere. And it's growing fast. Let's quickly see real-world applications of speech AI. Voice assistants. Siri, Alexa, Google, these use speech AI all day, every day. Ask a question, set a timer, play a song, all hands-free. Healthcare. Doctors speak their notes out loud and AI types it all up instantly. No more scribbling, more time for patience. Live translation. Google Translate can now listen to someone speaking Hindi and instantly speak back in English. Real time like a superpower. Auto captions. Those subtitles on YouTube often generated by AI in real time, making videos accessible for millions of people who are deaf or hard of hearing. And you won't believe, speech AI is also used in animal and nature monitoring. Scientists use sound AI to listen to rainforest and detect endangered animals by their calls without ever setting foot in the jungle. And you know what? We are just getting started. There's a lot of research going on right now in the field of voice AI. New models, new breakthroughs, new ways computers are learning to understand us better every single day. Now it's your job to go out there and find the current trends. What's new, what's being built, what's coming next. Explore, read and stay curious. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.